Bitch, I really got it. Just like a rubber band, you know that I'ma pop it. Refresh your page and you gon' see that I'm the topic. You gotta put one in my head for me to stop it. Cause bitch, I got it. These niggas tryna take me out.
Sorry, we are totally crowding you right now. She's on her phone. Look, she's innovative. Look, her phone.
Okay, so I didn't crimp all my hair, but I crimped the front and like a little section on this side. And I'm about to call my Lyft or whatever so I can get to Lena to get. Y'all don't even know what's going on. Like, I've had a crazy morning, but then again, when is my airport traveling days? Not crazy, but let me go up. But so yeah, so basically I left my wallet, so I didn't have my ID, no cards or nothing, and my makeup appointment is cash only. I didn't get any cash before I came, so I have no way of stopping at the ATM. But luckily I texted Elena and I was like, can I cash app you or whatever, and you give me some cash. So boom, so she did that. So now I have to head to her, pick up the cash. Then from there I'm going to my makeup appointment, and then from there I'll have some extra time, so I'm either going to get something to eat or just finish my hair, chill out to the shoot. We shall see how much time is in between everything, but yeah, I honestly don't know where I'm going, so let me do that. And I'll talk to y'all when I either get in the Uber or at the makeup appointment or at Vanderbilt. It just came and brought me the money. Now I ordered my Lyft and I'm just waiting to go.
Let's go on.
Pretty good. At the makeup shoot. I definitely love my makeup. I hope I didn't mess it up. But yeah, I definitely love this look. It's like early to go to the shoot, but like I literally have nothing else to do, so I'm just gonna head there. Hopefully I can get in this early. I don't know. Yeah, I have on my pants that I'll be wearing later, but I didn't put on a skirt and a sweater because I realized that I already took a picture in that sweater. So yeah, unless someone brings me another sweater, I'm either going to do the freelance picture in this, not this vest, but in this outfit, or in the suit. We at the shoot. First girls here. Say hey to my YouTube. This break. Stage 2 skirts. You said what? These. Front back action. See if I can show everybody down there.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me if I ever heard one.
Just took some pictures.
And I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me.
Just chilling. People still doing individuals, still showing up.
5 in the morning. I wake up to fight for my yearnings. The fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wondering.
And everything they said I wouldn't be, it couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with secure side. 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside. Front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me.
Rolling 80 wheels and it'll save you.
I just took some individuals. Well, she was, I think the individuals I just took came out cute.
And you know, them kids not used to. They're not. It's
A couple of people taking more individuals. What to do? I don't know if I'm gonna add them in here or like y'all gotta go to my Instagram to see what I'm typing.
She's trying to get her singer right now, damn it. Because this is what, let's see.
Seaside, I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that's outside.
Timmo got me listening to this white music.
Drake is white people.
No, but like the song before this.
That was it. I will take this as white. Rock.
Oh, you like rock?
Well, not like rock.
Finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me.
Sausages, Starbucks, sandwich, Lunchable, and another apple juice.
Gotta roll over to you, gotta give her release. Spread your legs down, sounds like I'm going out to eat. The raw sounds like rock up in your large, sweet. I'm a
Update. A lot happened, y'all. So, at the freaking, when I showed y'all that clip of me talking to the, airport worker guy. What is that? He took way longer to like get to the process of not having an ID. Answering them questions with him, like the man who he called. It's just how they do it. They call somebody and ask you questions. He asked like 10,000 questions, like I say about at least 8, 9. The first guy only asked 3. It was so weird. And he asked me a question like, what's your neighbor's name? What the fuck? I gave him 3 different names, and I guess, I don't know. Are they not my neighbors? Like, I don't know how that proves who I am, my neighbor's name. But yeah, that shit took forever. And then right when we got done doing that, to scan my phone, well, to scan my ticket, I had it set up on my phone in my Apple Wallet. My phone died literally right when I tried to slide up the wallet. So I had charged my phone. He was getting so impatient. He was like, I'm about to go, I got stuff to do. Nigga, ain't nobody tell you to be on the phone for no damn 30 minutes. You lucky I showed up early. Like, what the fuck? But yeah, he was like, okay, I'm walking away. Right when he said to my phone, so I turned it on. I'm like, oh, it's turned on. Like, okay. Then he started saying it again, I'm walking away. I'm like, I just told you to fucking turn it on. Let it turn on while it's on the charger at least. I'll be damned if it turns on. I walk up to scan my wallet, then it dies again. But yeah, he did that. So that was that stressful process. And then my plane ended up arriving late. We didn't like take off until like 18 minutes past the time we were supposed to or whatever. So Braylon was there like super early waiting on me, stressed about that. Honestly, I'm just ready to go to sleep. Makeup is like messed up now. Honestly, it was a good day. And now it's just a tired day. And the next week I'm supposed to go back, y'all. Next week I'm supposed to go back. I don't got no makeup appointments set for that. I'm gonna try to book something for next week so I can look this flawless. But yeah, that's next week. Hopefully this vlog was a success. Hope I didn't bore y'all because I didn't record that much because there was a lot of music playing throughout the whole thing. Now I ain't trying to get copyrighted. But chill your girl out. Gonna take a shower and go to bed. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend about my channel. You feel me? Get the word out there. You feel me? And leave a like and comment what you all want to see, you know? I live for y'all opinions. Let me know something. But yeah.
Ever let her roll on me, split this one down.